Hi friends, good evening. How are you guys doing? Myself CA Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai and I take law and audit for CA final students and CA inter students. So, are you guys ready for November 23, the golden attempt for CA exams? So now if you are appearing for CA inter, that's group 2 paper number 6 for November 23, this video is important for you all of you guys. Do watch it till the end. So guys, this video I will tell you how much important is past paper studying, how much important is module, how much important is studying from RTP and MTP. You must have seen lot of test series here and there. My test series pe paper come, my test series paper come, my questions coming in the way. That's not the case. Paper comes only from module or past papers or RTP or MTP. 10-15% you can expect a different weightage, that new question would be framed, but yes, 70-80% of the paper is repetitive. So if you have joined a very good test series, RIP, because you guys are rich, you are spending lot of money. But let me tell you guys, those papers are not made by God, those are also made by humans. Where will the humans get the question from? From the past paper, RTP mock test paper. Now, November 23 being the last attempt of the institute, and as you know, May 24 the syllabus would be getting changed. So we have a prediction, we have an expectation that whatever are the past questions, that will play a very important role in November 23 exam. 20% paper we can expect a new, but 70-80% things will be repetitive. Sir, why sir? Because institute would be making new questions probably, new module, new content, correct? So questions are, how do we go about? So this paper is for you guys who want to go for a smart study. I am not saying do only this, do everything, because being the last attempt of the old syllabus, institute can test you from here and there. Moreover, they can test you on MCQs, right? So I don't believe in any analysis. I am telling you, do everything. But yeah, the chapter what I will show you, do those chapters very thoroughly. That has to be very thoroughly done, right from the module, every content, from the line, from the content, days, percentages, penalties, whatever is given in that chapter, do everything. Okay. Now, if you see from Jan 21, I have this some trend. Audit documentation chapter came from for 62 marks. So Jan in 21 there were 3 attempts: Jan 21, July 21, and December 21 because of COVID. May 22, November 22. 5 attempts are there. If I divide 62 by 5, so approx 12, 5 is 60. The weightage of audit documentation chapter is 12 marks. Average. Items of financial statement again 58 marks, so 12, 5 is 60, 12 marks. 44 marks, 8, 5 are 48, 9 are 45, approximately 8, 5 are 40. So you can take around 8 marks approx, 8 to 9 marks approx. So 12 marks documentation, 12 marks items of FS, 8 marks audit of different entities. These 3 chapters will constitute your 30 marks of your paper. Company audit, again 38. So divide by 5, if I go do around 5 8s are 40, approx 8 marks. Internal control 5 7s are 35, 7 marks approx. Fraud chapter again 36 marks, 5 7 is 35, close to 7 marks. So 8 7 7. So 12 12 8 8 approx, 8 marks, 7 marks. Again 5 marks, 6 marks, 7 marks. So these 6 chapters are very important chapters. Now audit report have come for 27 marks. Audit report chapter very important for MCQ. I am giving the trend only for descriptive. MCQ I do not know because the paper does not come to us, right? This is only for descriptive. Audit report chapter is for 27 marks. Very important chapter for MCQ and correct incorrect. For sure you will see a question on material and pervasive, but not pervasive, qualified report, adverse report. Automated environment, again it will come for 5 marks approx. Bank audit 5 marks approx. Till bank audit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These 9 chapters are very important chapter from your study material. Please do this thoroughly. So around 60-65 marks will be covered here only. Now Nature and scope of auditing comes for 24, had come for 24 marks, divide by 5. Sampling came for 21 marks, AP came for 17 marks. Caro 2020 came for 16 marks. Reason being, May 22, November 22 was the amendment. I mean for Caro. So 8 mark it came. 2 times accounting standard question have come. Standards audit have come for 8 marks. Audit planning chapter 6 marks. So this is a trend which I have put in a paper for you guys so that you can easily study and give weightage to the chapters which are very crucial, very repetitive. Now as a CA inter student, generally people don't do these chapters. I would request you guys, please do this chapter very thoroughly. I am not saying do A, B, C and S. I am not saying that. I am saying do everything, but put more weightages on audit documentation, items of FS and audit of different entity. Sir, this we understood for till November 22. What about May 23? What about May 23? Now see. So again for May 23 I have written May 23 audit documentation 13 marks. Okay. Items of FS 12 marks as usual. Audit of different entity 13 marks. Same pattern. You can predict the pattern now. Company audit 10 marks. Okay. Now audit report chapter 5 marks because 2 mark is basically for correct and correct, 3 mark a descriptive question. Audit planning 8 marks, analytical procedure 5 marks, automated 5 marks, sampling 4 marks, risk assessment procedure 7 marks, Caro came for 4 marks, fraud chapter 3 mark, bank audit 3 marks. This is the May 23 ka analysis. Audit documentation chapter, audit of items of FS and audit of different entity. These 3 chapters comes approximately guys for 30-32 marks. Please do this chapter very thoroughly. It is very important. And I do not know the level of MCQs because MCQs are not given back to the students. So as a teacher, I would never know it. So people who are watching this video, now you understand how you should study. Do smart study because you know the result is approximately 10 to 15% only. 85% will fail. Majority people will fail guys, will fail. Okay. So please, this was a kind of a trend which you have to follow, and for sure if you follow you will clear in the exam. Solve RTP of 2 attempts. Solve at least 2 attempts ka suggested, that's May 23 and November 23. Sorry, November 22. May 23 and November 22. This attempt ka mock paper would be coming. Please do solve the mock paper because mock paper give an idea what is a probable question what institute will be asking in the paper. It may not be exactly same, but yeah, around 5-8 marks things get repeated in the actual paper. So it's very important for you guys to solve past papers and the trend, and November 23 being the last attempt, so we can easily predict the trend and you can do the chapters. But do everything of every chapter, okay? More weightage on documentation, items of FS and different entities. Now, I'll be coming very soon with a marathon of entire CA inter audit for Hindi version also and for English version also. Hindi and English both I'll be putting on my channel, on this channel, on YouTube for both Hindi revision also and English revision also. People from North, you can watch either of it. People from South, if you're comfortable with Hindi, watch Hindi wala, or you can watch English wala video. I'll be putting everything on YouTube. I'll be putting more few chapters like audit of items of financial statement will be uploaded in weeks time. Because it's a 12 mark weightage chapter, people generally do not know how to do, what to do. People who have studied through me, we know we have a common code. So I'll be revising that chapter very soon on YouTube. So do follow, like, comment and share with your friends, and do watch the marathon and clear in this attempt. So that very soon I get to see you in CA final. Okay guys, God bless you, take care, enjoy and aim for a rank if you're applying for both the groups or 70 plus whichever is earlier. Bye guys, take care, thank you.